Okay, video number 2 of this. Since some people think this is impossible, it has snowed in the south. Little history lesson to anybody feeling bored on this blizzard of a day. Be my guest. We actually got somebody who's gonna try and drive in this. Good luck to you, whoever you are. I'm gonna walk over to my neighbors with this just to see, because somebody told me we were getting 3 inches. 3 inches is right there. And hopefully I don't face plant in this. I think I might. Hold on, gotta change it up a little. Okay. The 5 is gone. We're sitting at 5.5 inches of snow. And it's still coming down. Mostly from this direction. To give you an idea. So there you have it. It's 5.5 inches and counting. It's still coming down. And again, stay warm.